ito na yung bread with milk and 1 egg. So, slice natin. You can make also coffee or tea partner. For me, no need, just I eat like this. Tikman natin kung anong lasa. Siyempre, masarap. Ayan. Oh. Pwede ito nyong gawin para sa inyong mga anak. Baon nila sa school. So, ayan, tikman natin kung ano. Tama lang yung ano na timpla niya. Ayan. Bismillah wala barakatillah. Sarap. Tama lang ang ano na timpla niya. Yan o. Sarap. Itira ko din ito kay Lakay. Tikman nila kung gusto nila. Kung ayaw nila. Kainin ko kay Langga, kay Fahal at saka kay Fatma. Masarap. Tikman ko uli. Kunti lang kasi yung aking niluto. Kasi wala ng bread. Today magluluto ako ng very easy and quick recipe. So these are all the ingredients. 3 slices of bread, pinch of salt, black pepper powder, and 1 egg yolk and egg white. I use this native organic egg. You can use 2 also if you want. And I have these spring onions. Ayan, tumubo na yung sibuyas. So, I get from here. Slices of tomatoes. And this one is from spring onion. Sorry, I get from there. So, we have to put this one in bowl and we have to mash it. Oh, sorry, one more ingredients. Fresh cow's milk. So, I already broke it. Then, we have to put now this. I use this fresh cow's milk. I boiled this one last night, so we have to put also some milk. Ayan. So this is enough. Now we have to put now also this salt and black pepper powder and this egg white and also this tomatoes and spring onions. Then we have to keep this one later on. We have to put this one toppings. Now we have to make like this. We have to mash it. So ito na yung butter. Ito na yung consistency niya. Tama na itong milk. Ayan. Then, nagpainit na din ako ng konting oil dito sa non-stick pan. So, wait natin hanggang maging mainit. Because it's still not hot. And then, ibuhos natin ito dito. Ayan. So, ito na. Parang ano din, egg, bread, egg omelette. Now we can put little hole here in center. So we can put this egg. Ano ba ito? Egg yolk. Ayan. And then we have to turn side. Now we can turn side now. Hawak-hawak ko kasi itong mobile. Dali. Off ko muna itong mobile. So ayan, nabaliktad ko na. Wait natin ng 1 minute. Ito na lang na tira, isa na lang para ito kay Fahad. Kung ayaw niya, di kakainin ko. Basta ako na nasarapan ako. Yung isang slice, si Fatma yung kumain. Tapos yung yung isang slice, si Langga at saka si Lakay. Kunti lang tinikman lang ni Lakay. Tapos yung isa sa akin. So ito balis, apat lang na kasi slice. Maliit lang kasi 3 piraso lang yung bread. Tapos isang itlog, konting spring onions. Tapos isang piraso na slices na cherry tomatoes. Tapos gatas siguro half cup lang siguro na fresh cow's milk. Kaya masarap talaga siya, masarap. Masarap pang merienda o kaya pang almusal ba.